The purpose of the Review tab is for proofing your document and providing possibilities for seeking feedback on your final edits. The Review tab is separated into multiple groups: proofing, speech, accessibility, language, comments, tracking changes, compare, ink, and resume. Number 1. Proofing. The proofing group allows the user to improve the words in their document. Users can click on the Spelling and Grammar to launch Word's built-in spelling and grammar checker to fix words and phrases that may be incorrect. When selected, the icon launches a navigation pane on the right side of the document, allowing the user to review spelling and grammar errors that the textbook does not find accurate and make the changes or ignore the recommendations. Speech and accessibility. Microsoft Office can read any text in the document by clicking on the Read Aloud icon in the speech group. Once the Read Aloud button is selected, Word will begin reading at the insertion point of the text. The Check Accessibility button launches the Accessibility Checker tool in Microsoft Word. On the right side panel of the page, the Accessibility Checker will review the entire document to find areas that would impair screen readers and other accessibility programs to aid those who have difficulty seeing or reading a document to still be able to understand the text in the document. Number 3. Language. The language group allows the user to translate words in the document into a different language. Users will have the opportunity to translate a highlighted section or an entire document into another language. There are a variety of languages available for translation. In addition, the language icon provides the user with the option to change which language Microsoft Word will use for use in the spelling and grammar checker. Number 4. Comment. Want to place a note in your document to review at a later time? Or are you working collaboratively with someone else on the document? Using the comments group is the easiest way to keep track of information about the document without changing characters in the actual document itself. Comments are automatically turned off by default. They can be enabled by selecting the Show Comments icon. To enter a comment, highlight the text you wish to comment about or place your insertion point where you want to comment to be placed. Then, select New Comment. A new section of the Word document will launch on the right-hand side of the page. This will not be able to be printed, but will display to the user with a line connecting the comment to the insertion point of the comment.